Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your own channel, somycrafty. I'm here with a new earrings seed bead earring project. I hope you would like it. So let's start. First of all, we have to pick 5 golden seed beads, 11. We will make double knot here and start our earrings making. So we are using today polyster soft thread because it's the requirement of our seed beads earring. So we will not make fishing line or other thread. We will use this soft polyester thread. So we have started. After double knot, we have to pass through this golden seed bead, and now after passing this bead we have added one orange 1A orange seed bead 11, and again we have to add one seed bead A. In this way we will add total 5 times this color. We are using 4 colors of seed beads 11 in this project. First color we are adding, this is color A, orange color seed beads. So we will add 5 times it. After adding 5 times, we will start next round. This is added 5 times orange color. Now we pass through one seed bead A. Now we have to pick 1C, 1A and 1C. In this round we are using yellow color with orange. Yellow color seed beads 11, color C and A. In this round we will add, passing through orange seed bead, we will add each time 3 beads. In this way we have to add 5 times. Seed beads lovers who like seed bead jewelry, I hope they like it. So we have completed this round. Now we have to start next step, next round. We are adding green color. So add 4 color B, passing through orange seed bead. Now we are adding again, passing through yellow color. We have to add these 4 color B. This is green color. Now again passing through yellow color seed beads, yellow. We are adding 4 each time. We have to add 5 times this color, green color. passing to yellow seed beads previous round. So now this is complete, this round is complete. We have added green color, and next step will be started from here. Between these two green seed beads, we will add one more seed bead, green, one seed bead, color B. Color B will be added here in the center of two seed beads each time, and in this round we will add golden seed bead Aterm between these beads. You can see on your screens we are adding here between two green petals. We will add one golden seed bead Aterm passing through green seed beads. Again here we are adding, our thread is coming out from one green seed bead. We added one golden seed bead Aterm passing through green seed beads. Now one seed bead green added between previous green beads. We are adding one seed bead then in its center, and now passing through green seed bead we are adding one golden seed bead Aterm. So we are continuing repeating same process. We have to complete this round. A nice look, you can see different colors, combination of different solid colors. Now we have to use a red color. We will add 5 red seed beads. This is called in this project we call is D seed bead, D or color D, red color. We added passing through golden seed bead Aterm. We have to add these 5 red color seed beads passing through golden seed bead Aterm, and in this way we have to add 5 times 5 seed beads, 8 color, 5 red color. In this way we will complete our round. Passing to seed bead Aterm, we have to add 5 times this color. Then you can see how gorgeous it's looking. Different colors, solid colors, red, yellow, green, orange with golden seed beads touch. It looks very pretty. Now we are adding, we have to start our almost last round. At the end we will add ear wire, but adding beads, this is the last round. Thread, yeah, you can see we have, when our thread was coming from red seed bead, we added 2 yellow seed beads, and after passing through one green seed bead we added 2 more yellow, and in this way we will complete this round. We will add yellow color seed beads 5 times. Now our thread is coming out from one seed bead, red seed bead, and now we have picked 2 more yellow seed beads passing through green seed bead. We added 2 yellow, and now we picked 2 more yellow seed beads passing through red seed bead. We will add these 2 seed beads yellow. Now again we repeat this process in the same way, and we will complete our round. This is the beads last round. I hope you would like its making, its color combinations. I again recommend make it with this soft thread, polyester thread. It is easily available at homes, and you have to, if you have to make this earring, you will easily get this thread from your home. And this thread suits to this project. Here we are adding for the last time we are adding yellow color seed beads. So we are passing through red seed bead and golden seed bead. We have added yellow. Now you can see our beaded part of earring is ready, and now we will add here, after passing through different seed beads, we will add here in the center of golden, here we will add between yellow seed beads, center of yellow seed beads, we will add ear wire with beads. This is the center. You can see here we are adding, we picked one seed bead golden 8, one seed bead 11, our earring wire, and then again one seed bead 11 and one seed bead 8 golden. We are our thread is coming out from one seed bead yellow, and we pass through the next yellow bead and we added it. In this way we added it. Now we will again pass through all these seed beads one more time to reinforce our work. Here we have to reinforce, so we are passing through these golden seed beads with ear wire, and in this way we have almost completed our. Now we have to make some finishing knots on our earrings back side. We will make some finishing knots on its back. 2 or 3 times we will make some knots, and then we will trim the extra thread. Very easy, very simple, but very elegant earrings are ready. I hope you would like, you will make for yourself. And remember your somycrafty channel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to watch full video, and comment and likes and shares. I need it. I request all my viewers, my friends, do subscribe and support your channel. Make it successful with your likes, with your sharings, and with your comments and subscriptions. So don't forget it. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Enjoy these videos which I made for you with love. Jewelry making is my passion. I always say it's my passion, it's my love, and I always work with love. So it's a good activity, it's a positive activity. Keep yourself busy such activities. So I will say bye now. Take care yourself and your family. I will say bye now. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.